Okay, here's our shells from August 5th after hurricane / tropical storm Debby came through. This is a heck of a day out shelling on South Beach. We did 3 live streams, so this is everything we found. I'm not going to identify everything because there's just too much to show you, so here you go. Look at all the purple with white lips stuff. Broken shells. We only grabbed a couple. And you know what they say, you save the best for last. My very first milk conch. And Debby the Genonia. She's the poor man's Genonia. If you want a poor man's Genonia, reach out. I've got a rosy keyhole here too. And just monster Gaudy Nautica. And the Florida State shell. And look at some of these huge shark size. It was a shell of a day. Shellapalooza 2024. Stay tuned, we'll be going back out for more. Make sure to hit that follow button to join our live streams. Okay, I wanted to show you these 3 a little closer too, because it's hard to see in there. Look at that gorgeous purple on the inside. That's probably the best one. And remember, all these shells you see in my beach finds videos, I haven't even polished them or really dipped them in acid or anything, just cleaned. So these will look even better once you polish them. But look at this. I mean, these are just incredible. We had one that was like a lavender, very light lavender lip, which is kind of cool too. But again, I had to show you so you can see. I mean, we had that whole back row of these. Pretty cool.